It's Ryan, everybody. Hey!
Built, not BAHP!
Alrighty, so today we're working on the pulley. No, we're not. What's up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Built Not BAHP! And today we're working on the alternator here because she's fucking cooked. I'm a little bit concerned about the replacement I bought as well, but we'll get into that later. Basically, all this wiring here is redone by me and my mates because the previous electrician who worked on it before I owned the car decided that a 12 gauge to an 8 gauge wire would be perfectly fine for an alternator. And then when the battery fucked it, the wire caught fire and it burnt out the alternator. So now it's not charging anything, so we're gonna have to take it out and replace it with a nice flashy fucking chrome one we got here, Airflow. Which cost me, I don't know, it was like 170 bucks. It was meant to be 200, but yeah, I got a discount, so shout out to Konana Performance for that fucking discount. So the issue we got here is the pulley on this alternator is actually bigger than the pulley on the new alternator, but we can swap them over, and I'm pretty sure it can work. But it also looks like there's, I don't know if you can see, but that's a little nut there, kind of in the center of the shot. And then it can move to the left probably about 2 or 3 centimeters. If we pull that out, it will keep the belt tensioned and a smaller pulley should fit. Theoretically, I don't know. I'm not a mechanic, but that's what I'm going to try with first. If not, we'll just swap the pulley completely. But that's really what we're going to get into right now. Disconnect the wiring. We need to take the battery off first because we don't need another fire like last time. Alright, so in the boot we got the battery, and now the positive side doesn't actually come off unless we have a crowbar because it's just really fucking on there tight for some reason, so we disconnect it here instead. But the negative side, check this out. Yeah, that's some bush mechanic shit right there. Basically this is just too fat, it won't tighten. And they had a washer in here somewhere like this. When I first bought the car, I didn't realize for like fucking 6 weeks. Oh look, there it is there. So you can see where it's actually fucking like cooked itself as well, sitting in there. When the battery died, one of the guys that helped me out just stuck a fucking tack screw in there and it worked, and now it's on there fucking tight. So we've done the same here just for now, and it hasn't damaged the battery really in any way. I know it's fucking fucked it there, but that doesn't matter. So we're gonna disconnect the battery now. If you wanna fucking pull that, just pull off the top there, yeah. Fucking beauty, yeah. Safety. Now we should be good to just take all the wiring off the alternator. So we got, this is the positive power here, the red cable, which then leads up to here, which is the starter solenoid. So we're just going to disconnect that, and we're going to run a wire straight from here to the starter solenoid to see if it actually is the alternator and nothing else in the wiring that's fucked. I'm pretty confident it's the alternator though, and if that's it, then we'll just replace it and go from there. Hopefully that sorts all of our electrical issues, because yeah, we're not getting any charge to the battery and it's fresh as fuck. I don't really know what the best angle is to put this tripod for now. I'm going to try and make it look as best as I can. What size do we need? Let's just guess.
11.
11? I'm going to go 10. You know it's 11, didn't you?
No.
Last time, no? Oh no, it is 11. There's just a fucking end in the way. The beauty of old cars like this is there's plenty of space in the engine bay to just fucking get shit done. The issue is it's fucking hot because I just had it running. And then we want to disconnect this here, which is bigger than 11, let's say 13. Americans have weird sizes and all this shit. Well, maybe not even, it might actually be imperial.
Half inch.
Yeah. Oh, I got it. Alright. Don't stress. So I'm 99% sure that this one here is for the alternator. It's the same wiring. Right there. Yeah, that's it. So we'll throw those two back on, and what we'll do now is we'll just get some more of this red wire and just hook it straight across. Proper fucking mechanic job right here. Motherfucker's swole as hell. Can you do that again, please? Let me just see what the fuck you were doing. Yeah, always use your teeth. That's the mechanic's way. Thank you for that. Fucking cunt. You don't need to twist it, you just stick this on.
Doing spades for
Stick it in there. Spades for Wade. So we're just crimping a small wire. And I'm just going to hook it up straight from the alternator to the solenoid to see if any of the wiring we can't see or access as easily is fucked. But yeah, I'm pretty sure this won't work, but it's always worth a shot, because if we don't have to replace the alternator, then that's a bonus for us. So we'll hook this back up now. You look tired. Are you stoned? Have you smoked Wade today?
Smoked Wade.
This is going to be so awkward to record half the time. When the fuck's Jay getting here so we can have a proper cameraman?
Still be there in 15 getting food.
When did he say that?
10 minutes ago. Dad's like, fuck shit.
What's up? Sam has just snapped a fucking head. He's just wasting money, really. Fucking cunt. Alright, Sam's just gonna wire this up quickly, hook it back up from one end of the solenoid.
Yeah,
Am I getting in your face?
Yeah, no problem. No fucking problem.
What's the problem? It doesn't fit?
She don't fit, mate.
Boys, she doesn't fit. Cool. Let's just replace the fucking alternator then. Let's just get into it, eh? Fuck it. We don't have the right size. Stop wasting fucking time. But our cameraman has arrived, thank fuck. Where is he? There he is. I don't know why he's...
Doing bog laps.
Yeah, he drove past, now he's gone back past again. Wrong house, mate. Look at his number plates. One gay. It's your boy. It's Ryan, everybody.
I touch kids. You're allowed to say I touch kids.
That's not right.
Would you like to be the cameraman from now on?
Sure, mate.
The battery's running low.
Just don't drop the camera.
Yeah. Don't drop the camera like Sam did.
Well, I'm not a spastic.
Alright, so
I'm gonna do it like this, where you can just see the tip of my finger in every shot.
Fuck off.
That's so good. We're gonna get the charger for the camera.
How are you, Joe Davis?
How do I stop?
What's this? We need...
Negative wire, exactly, mate.
There's a negative wire. Which one's that?
The yellow one.
No, it's not it. No, there's a third wire. It's something else. Someone might fucking know. I've read it on the internet a couple times, but it's not negative. It's I don't know what it is, but it's not negative. Well, no wonder this fucking wire doesn't work. It's fucked. Look at that. You know what? This is it. This is the fucking problem right here.
You reckon that's what's been
Yeah,
the
this
issue?
is the positive one. This is red.
It's actually on the back of the channel.
Yeah, look at the size of this wire as well. Holy fuck. Well, look at that.
It's stripped.
It just looks like fucking shit. We might not need to replace the alternator. I've fucking gone and bought one now.
Well, you might as well.
I can get my
Johnny,
money
your
back.
steering wheel's on the wrong side.
Is it?
Yeah.
Tell that to any American in the channel or in the comment section.
American.
Can you not make fun of 53% of my family? If it wasn't for them, eh? Your ancestors would have lost the fucking war.
My ancestors did lose the war, didn't they?
And where are you from?
In
Which war? Where you
who
from?
won against England and America?
England and America went to war?
I don't know. I don't know if I'm talking shit.
I think you are, dude.
I'm gonna Google that. I swear I've fucking seen
Hey,
movies.
you're
about
fucking recording. Don't be on your phone on the fucking job. I'm not paying you. Sit on your fucking phone and Google fake news.
You're not paying me, dude.
Yeah, no, that was a full stop.
You dragged me out of bed, dude. I'm not paying you, full stop. Now do your job.
Here we go. Fuck, she's off. Look at this. This is, oh, what the fuck was that fell off with it?
Oh.
That looks like it's seen better days. What the fuck has happened here?
Yeah.
Okay, what if we do this and start the car and see what happens?
Oh, I left the fire extinguisher on.
Putting the positive
Yeah.
on the positive and the negative on the negative.
There is no negative, mate.
It's just putting.
American, mate. Ain't no negatives about being American. According to Connor, it's got 302 raw.
American horsepowers,
Yeah.
mate.
But it's got
Windsor 302.
raw cubic inches.
What kind of
Pretty
horses?
sure this is an Australian motor, alright?
Black stallions.
Oh,
Or, as we like to call them,
I wonder what the weakest
Have you got
horse
an
is.
8-inch ratchet?
8-inch ratchet.
Yes, an 8mm socket.
Got anything in 8 inches, mate? Ain't got anything in 8 inches.
Yeah, good, because that'll speed this fucking cunt up.
I mean, why are you even using a normal spanner if you've got socket kit?
Because spanners are underrated.
Spanner for the spanner, mate.
No, they're not. The only reason you use the spanner is if you can't get the ratchet in.
Time to figure out what the fuck the problem is. This is either going to start a really big fire, or it's going to give me a really big pee-pee. Either way.
I hope it's the latter.
Hey, that's pretty good.
America and England did have a war, by the way.
They did?
Yeah.
When was it?
In the Revolutionary War.
Oh, who won?
America.
Yeah!
America! F.
Fucking Titan cunt. Fuck me.
Come on.
Yeah?
These fucking wire grips from the fucking reject shop.
I got them from Super Cheap Auto and they were super fucking cheap.
Ben.
They're the Super Cheap Auto brands even, mate. STA, dude. Super Cheap Auto is the best automobile shop in the Southern Hemisphere.
Wait, that's closed.
Ben.
What? I've had these a week.
I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty fucking hot.
Oh, mate, she's fucking cooking us, eh?
Yeah.
Now I gotta figure out how the fuck this all went together. All this cabling in here.
I can call a Sparky, mate.
Mate, how many movies have you seen where the cameraman opens his fucking mouth? Shut the fuck up. Hold the camera. Look pretty from the other side.
I've already been fired.
Yeah, he was fucking laughing and shit. Like literally 2 seconds into recording, he's just fucking laughing.
Just laughing for no reason.
You started pissing yourself laughing.
What does yarn mean? Is that just like having a band?
Remember the band?
Yeah, thank you. You remember in high school? Fuck off, cunt. Fuck it. Where's the third angle? In high school there was a Warmer Yarns group, whatever, where they would just literally just talk shit about anyone from school.
Yeah.
And everyone thought it was me because I used to talk so much shit online. I was like, why would I go from using?
I remember that page.
Yeah. I was like, why would I go from using my actual Facebook account to talk shit to a fucking fake one?
Anonymous fucking.
No, it's too late. But you know what people are like, nah, it's you, confirmed.
Probably someone like
No proof.
fucking AD, mate. Adam
There was
Drum.
no talking, no, there was no one talking shit in like year groups. Us, it was all like year, but we were in year 11, we're in like year 8 or something.
Lol.
No one we fucking knew, they're like, oh, it's obviously fucking Connor.
Obviously Connor. Yeah, you do talk a lot of shit.
Still do, man. Gift and gab, should have been a lawyer.
Gift of the gab.
It is, dude. That's why the Americans love all my fucking RuneScape videos. Like, my majority of my audience is American.
Oh, they actually?
Yeah, they fucking love it. But there's always ones like, oh, he's trying to be like Aussie man reviews. Like, wow, he says the word cunt.
Oh.
He swears and
Wow.
has the accent. Must be like
He's
Aussie
Australian.
man reviews. You don't know anything about Australia if you think I'm anything like that, fucking cunt. That's connected. It's just very loose.
I know.
Is it worth it?
What?
What are you laughing at?
Well, it's on.
It's not. This.
That's okay, it connects.
Still touching.
Metal on metal.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
like.
That's right.
Alright.
Controls power.
Hold. Let's connect the battery. This is the dodgiest job ever. It's gonna make so many fucking people cringe if they actually watch this video. I'll do it, hey?
Oh, do you to fuck spiders, mate?
You alright?
No, it's a fucking cunt job to do.
Why have you disconnected it like that?
Because that's the only way it will disconnect without a crowbar. It's just the way this battery was made. I don't know who made it, but they were fucking retarded. Now I've got to deal with it.
Look at it arcing up.
It's so fucking bad.
Safety first, kids.
The worst part is you're doing this and your knees are on the bar, and then your knees start to burn because it's like running
Nice.
through. Yeah,
It's
you can
hot.
feel it. Yeah, Sam's about to feel it in a minute.
Fucking thing.
Did it get you? Alright, it's in.
Yeah.
You're looking for the camera, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, good.
I was just looking at this now.
Yeah, that
Like,
means it's good.
Wow, that lights up so much. My battery, you can't see it.
I feel like this is where, like, you know how house fires start randomly
Yeah.
and they go viral? This is going to be one of those fucking videos.
Like your whole garage just goes up.
Yeah.
You got insurance though?
Yeah, I've got insurance.
right.
I don't know who the fuck did this boot job, but they were fucking autistic.
Dude, is that just like exposed wire?
No, it's this is Earth. It's not going in.
Can you pull the wire out a bit?
So many fingers.
I've just lost the top of
2
it.
fucking steps back, mate.
Fucking.
That's progress, and now you fucked it.
You're right. Do you want to go to the confession booth and start talking shit about him?
I'll do it right here on camera. I'll do it right here on camera. This guy says the M word on Xbox. That's right, he called me a fucking noob.
What?
Yeah, I died on Call of Duty. That's the other thing, that you know that COVID-19 shit, and everyone was standing on their driveway clapping. Everyone was like praising each other for doing it, and I was just like, well, I missed it. I was playing Call of Duty. My bad person.
Were they doing it in your driveway? In here?
No, I don't know if it was on the street, but people were like on Facebook, oh, so proud of my neighbours for standing at the doorway clapping. Like, shut the fuck up. What the fuck are you doing? Thoughts and prayers, man. You complain about the fucking government doing fuck all in a crisis, but you'll vote fucking Liberal when it comes time to vote. What the fuck do you think's gonna happen, you stupid cunt?
Sam, stop
I'm
being
just
a fucking spastic.
Checking something out.
No, you weren't. You forgot to put it on.
No, I was trying to thread it on, and I realised I did forget it.
So it will,
Yeah, so you forgot that you can't.
And then I realised.
so it will thread through
I'll
though?
thread it,
Yeah.
We're doing this side first.
Yeah, normally I was doing the side that we were doing at first. I'm thirsty as fuck, boy. Too bad the pubs are shut. You guys want a
Save
beer?
yourself.
Oh, man.
Yeah. I'll get beers.
Yeah, I woke up about
Sidetrack?
45 minutes ago, but yeah. Yeah, oh yeah.
I'm not going to say no to a beer. $50 if you lick it.
No, I'm not licking that. Fuck that. I don't even have a tongue to begin with.
Drive fast, eat ass.
Do you know what would help with this?
What's that?
Just like rubber gloves, dude. It's like the
Some
sock of
extra
that.
PPE.
Yeah, awesome. Australian PPE.
Couple beers, boys.
Couple of couples.
Oh,
You
yeah.
know.
Couple. Look at that.
Sorry, I'm trying to open my beer. Oh,
Your wife's been gone a long time, huh?
yeah.
Oh, you got it in. Look at that. See, beers solve everything. Take that, America. You should have seen me the first time I was trying to put all the red wires on one side and nothing on the other.
Would it matter?
No, it just wouldn't fit.
Oh, it wouldn't matter, right?
Alright.
Oh my god.
What was that?
The power bank.
Watch that paint job, it's pristine. Look at this. See? You gotta watch out for this paint job, dude. Whoever resprayed this car is a little bit.
Oh, it's slowy?
Yeah, they're in the single digit IQ bracket.
Single digit, that's bold.
Big call, big if true. Alright, let me know if there's a fire. If there is, I'll cut the engine. And then we'll have to figure out how to put it out.
Oh, beer!
Huh?
For some reason I think that might make it worse. It makes it worse because it's full wasting beer.
Yeah, that'd just be a waste of piss.
Oh, do you want to get that multimeter? Yeah, and we'll see what it's putting out.
Can you stop burping?
So see that's way too low even for a new battery. But yeah, the fan does drain. So it should be around 13.4. And yeah, that's so that tells me the alternator's dead.
That's gay.
So I've got a spare. If you want to disconnect the battery, I'll have a look at this alternator. So yeah, this is fucked. I'm hoping it's fucked because if it's not, I don't know what the fuck's going on. But yeah, we're gonna throw this bad boy in, hook it up to the battery, and it should just it should work. We'll find out when that one comes out, see how fucking cooked it is. $174, Australian dollars.
Ooh.
Yeah. Loosen that bitch off. Can you fit, cunt? Fuck yeah. If someone's looking at you, they're a simp.
Yeah, so.
Ball?
Looks fucked no matter what.
Oh, is the battery disconnected?
Nah, should be right.
Disconnect the battery, you fucking
See? Didn't need to be disconnected.